to my channel. So it's a bit of a different setup today, but I am in Matt's garden and I have a very exciting video for you all. So I have done one of these before. Well, I've done multiple hauls from this amazing company before, but I have done a collaboration with them once and this is my second time and it's just so exciting. So as you could have guessed by the title and thumbnail, we've got a massive Cherryz haul, like massive. Give a bit of context. Here's all the box. So yeah, we're in the garden, it's gorgeous weather and we're going to unbox it together. But the most exciting part for you guys is that I have a 25% off discount code from your first time use off the app. So if you don't have the Cherryz app already, what are you doing? I'm going to show you guys the app because honestly it's amazing. It's in my shopping box here, that's what it looks like. And then I've already got things in my basket. Shock. Some baby bits for friends and just some other cool bits, but this is what it will look like when you first go onto it. So you've got a big selection of categories to shop from, and then you click the home button and it can just show you all sorts of bits there. Rewards. Now this is one of the best parts of Cherryz. With every order you do and place and every £1 you spend, you get Cherryz reward points which you can use for free items. So I've currently got 444 Cherryz, and it says collect 2 points per £1 you spend, and you've got a really nice selection of things that you can choose from. So yeah, and then you've got your account, and also you can do a team buying scheme, which is amazing. So I think you create a team. I haven't done that personally, but I think I might start because everyone gets rewards for it. But yeah, so it's amazing. The customer service is fantastic. If you've got any problems with your order, or if you know any queries you have about it, just contact the customer service team and they are phenomenal. So yeah, my code is on screen now and put it in the description as well. My code is Lily Williamson, all capital letters, 25, and that is for 25% off your first order only off the Cherryz app. Trust me, you will not regret it. Jesus, I didn't quite take into account how big the box was. Like, should I just... Okay. Let's try and... Okay. Oh. How exciting. So I'm just going to pick things out by random, but this box smells amazing. So if I look at some snacks, I got some Frazzles, and I'm so excited to eat these. Also, sorry, this is gifted and partly paid by me, so they gave me a voucher to spend, and then I also wanted some other bits, so I may have had to spend a little bit more money myself, but it was really kind of Cherryz. So Cherryz, if you're watching this, thank you so much, because I'm so grateful for this opportunity. So exciting. So yeah, I got some Frazzles. All their things are so like affordable. One thing I love about Cherryz is the fact that it's basically like going to Home Bargains but online. So if you don't want to go out, or if there's something you're thinking about, they do a delivery pass. It's £12 a year for free delivery, or you can pay £6 for next day, but I got this super quick. So yeah, but I got some Frazzles because they are one of my favourite crisps ever. Also I got some What's-Its. Honestly, the fact that they do such a good selection, and if you've got a family and you obviously love your snacks and your kids or whatever love in the packed lunches, these are amazing, like £1 each, I believe, something along those lines. So affordable and makes maybe packed lunches and just life a lot easier for families, or if you're just like me and a crispaholic. Got some Walker's prawn cocktail because it's maybe controversial. We can win a holiday every hour, EasyJet holidays. Ooh, may have to look into that. But yeah, prawn cocktail's one of my favourite flavours, salt and vinegar, but this may be topping my salt and vinegar addiction. So yeah, I love prawn cocktail. And once again, so much cheaper than going into Sainsbury's or anything like that. Okay. Oh, forgot about half stuff. So I've got quite a few sweet treats, which we'll show next, because I've got a couple of new jars that I want to fill. Oh, we've got some more crisps first. Space Raiders. I keep saying this, another one of my favourites. I absolutely love Space Raiders. Like, love, love, love them. They're so yummy. So yeah, I think I may have a very hefty dentist bill, but never mind. So yeah, the predominance of this, like, the consistency of this box is mainly snacks and food, but honestly they have such great variety. I've got my basket that's got some gardening bits in for my grandma. Honestly, I've got so many birthday presents off this app, it's amazing. But yeah, so still on savoury, I got some salted peanuts and some dry roasted peanuts, because here is the, here even is the Man Cave. in Matt's garden, and it's just amazing. Trust me, for my birthday I'm going to be celebrating in here, a lot cheaper. But Matt's dad used to have like the pub snacks on the wall, but obviously they were raided, so I thought, you know, everyone can share some of these, and they're just really nice. I love peanuts. I'm more a fan of salted, but I know some of his family love dry roasted, so I picked up both of these. And yeah, it's just so cheap. I can't get over how affordable this website is. An app. Are they melted? No. Okay, so we're going to start with sweets. I got some of my favourites for my jar. So I got some Mentos. I remember some of these sweets I'm going to show you. I know it may sound ridiculous, have such sentimental meaning to me, because my granddad used to pick me up off the bus from school when I was in junior school. That's what we call it in the UK, if I've got any people in the States or anything watching this. Because I did have someone from America and someone, oh, were they both from America? I think 2 viewers from America, hi if you're watching this, say that they found what we call in the UK, like what we call like different grades of school. Really weird. But yeah, anyway, I got some Mentos. Really, like, not the best. No sweets good for your teeth, but these are like waiting, it's like a cracked tooth waiting to happen, but they are so yummy. So I picked up a pack of those, and I believe all these sweets are £1. Around £1, £2 maximum, but I think all the bags were £1, which is amazing. Got some Pimbles and some Jelly Babies. I've not had Jelly Babies in the longest time, and they just taste so good. And as I said, a couple of jars of sweets. It's just what everyone needs in their cupboard, isn't it, really? Other than the essentials. Yum, yum. I then got some Haribo wine gums. Also used to love these as a kid, haven't had them in the longest time. And I just feel like Cherryz has reintroduced me to so many things I used to love. So yeah, got a pack of those. Skittles, normal ones, of course. They have the sour ones as well, I believe, but these are my favourites. And they have all these fancy ones now, like the cloud kind of like ones. I didn't like them personally. I just like sticking to old school. Old school Skittles are the best. And these I've never tried before, but I love Drumstick. Drumstick from Swizzles lollies back in the day when I had potty bags when I went to parties when I was younger, and also, you know, just anything else, like the, you know, when you went to school and you had the, or like the gift boxes of sweets at Christmas. These are my favourites, but these are Drumstick chews, so they look really, really nice, and I'm really excited to try them. And they're a soft texture apparently, if that bothers anyone. So I got them. The rest is chocolate. Maltesers had to be added straight to my basket. Maltesers are one of my favourite, if not probably up there with the best chocolate. Also got some Milky Bars. These are so nice. Once again, I remember these being in potty bags when I was like 4 or 5. They are such nice chocolate, and I'm a really big fan of white chocolate. Honestly, I can't have too much of it though, because it is really, really sickly. But this is perfect. Pack of 4 bars for £1, I believe. £1. £1 for this. Bargain. And then Aero mint bubbles. Honestly, these are so good. I got my mum into these. They are one of the best chocolates ever. I know I keep saying that, so sorry if it annoys you that I'm repeating myself, but honestly, this is such a good chocolate. And they're quite refreshing as well, because of the mint, I think. I say that about mojitos too, but I didn't think they're very good for me. But yeah, absolutely love these. So I'm just looking at this selection of snacks and sweets. I'm thinking, oh dear. But I will check. So summer bits, they have such great summer selection. Party stuff, if you're having a barbecue. So, call me a kid, it's fine. This is just a crazy straw beaker, and it just once again reminded me so much when I was younger. Of course I had to get a pink one. You actually get the lid off. Have to see if Matt's brother can get that off, hopefully. So I'm thinking for my birthday, doing a cocktail in that. Perfect little size, refreshing little lemonade in the sunshine when we have barbecues, because I know Matt's dad is like obsessed with doing barbecues. I can't get it off. Hey? I'll see if Matt's brother's strong enough, because it's like a, would you pull it off? Oh, no, I'm not going to risk breaking it now. These reusable ice cubes, absolute brain wave that I was only introduced to like a year or so ago, because I'm just not up to date with the times. And these are just multicoloured, and I just thought they'd be perfect, so I'm going to bung them in the freezer, because then my drinks don't get watered down so much by ice. So I thought they were really sweet, so I picked them up as well. We got this, which was more for the novelty. There's always a couple of bits. I don't know if anyone else is like this. When you go online shopping, there's a couple of bits, because when you finish, like you check out on Cherryz, they also show you a few other little bits. It's like tempting you, and I was tempted. This is a Flamingo bottle opener, like seriously, and it's pink, so of course I was going to pick it up. I then got some glass straws because once again for cocktails and stuff, and I love the metal ones I've got. Reusable, amazing. I try not to buy plastic straws because obviously they're not the best, are they? But these are eco-friendly, these are pop party faves. You get the brush cleaner as well, and then you get 4 glass straws. And I saw Zoe Sugg in one of her old summer vlogs show glass straws, and I was just obsessed. And I saw them on Cherryz and they were so cheap. I was like, we'll have those please and thank you. I'm not sure if I ordered, but it's a little tea light holder which is really cute. I'll definitely find use for it, or I'll give it as a gift. But it's a textured tea light holder, and it's just, they have so much nice homeware on there. Their homeware section is addictive. I always have stuff in there, and their baby section for friends' kids, because honestly I just love it. But yeah, that is really sweet, but I'm not sure if I ordered it. But if I didn't, thank you Cherryz, but we'll check. So that's all the summery bits, and then we've got a couple of like skincare bits and bath bits. So the first thing, which I always used to buy from the pound shop, but I never get time to go into the pound shop anymore, is very rare. So these are the Radox Muscle Soak Bath Salts, and Matt at his place currently, his parents does not have a bath, so these will be saved for when he moves in because they have a bath, and honestly they smell amazing. It's what is this? Oh yeah, soothing extracts of thyme. I think it's eucalyptus as well, I'm not too sure, but it's blended with 13 herbs. And honestly, this is one of the best things because I'm a carer, and I'm like anyone that's on their feet all day in general, whether you work or whether you don't. This is amazing. It just helps you completely relax, the smell of it alone, and it makes my skin feel amazing afterwards. So I definitely recommend these if you haven't tried them out yet and you are like me and you stress a lot and your body just feels like it's aching 24/7. This is one of the answers to your prayers. Beauty Formulas is also a brand or like a company that is featured on Cherryz a lot, and I saw these and they were charcoal with activated charcoal gel eye patches. And how many did you get in here? 6 pairs. And I love a bit of skincare. Me and Matt are determined to do a PAM session either soonish or when we go away for a holiday again in July. And these will probably be in my skincare bag because I love charcoal. Charcoal does wonders to my skin. So these were just amazing. I love gel eye patches because they just feel so nice when they're on. Impulse. I love a good body spray. I've always got to have 1 or 2 in my bag, and I always seem to lose them, and I'm always asking Alex, my best mate, when we're out, do you have a body spray? But this is the Impulse, so be surprised. Impulse is such like one that I used to use in school, you know, you put in your school bag and just be like I love teas. That's one of my favourite scents they do, but I haven't tried this one. Let's spray it, shall we? Oh, that's nice. Oh, I might use that when I go for pre-birthday food and drinks tomorrow. But yeah. Oh, that smells really good. You only need a little bit because it's quite strong, but yeah, they have body fragrances, obviously more affordable type. I've got Matt a couple of aftershaves from there before, and let me tell you, they were the best purchase. Next is baby stuff, but can I just say, they also do what Revolution do, which I think is amazing. They use a lot all recyclable packaging. Well, in my orders they have anyway, so... Oh, there's something else in here. Okay, so I got Matt's dad a Father's Day gift as well in here, so I'll show you that first. So nothing else in here. Okay, so, oh, I'm so excited for these. So this is a plaque that says, as I just actually ironically I said that Matt's dad loves barbecues, and doing barbecues for the family. It's been a great get together before, and it says Master of the Barbecue on, and it says King of the Kitchen on the label. But yeah, just hang this up somewhere, maybe put like a thing around here or just anywhere. But yeah, it's really nice. So I forgot I ordered that. So that's another Father's Day gift for when they're back because they're currently on holiday. Another beauty thing, I just got a pair of nail clippers, rose gold, can't go wrong. Just chuck in my handbag in case I need them. You know, it's just an essential, isn't it really? So I didn't get many baby stuff. I thought I got a lot of baby stuff. Maybe that's because it's in my order for next time. But I got this, and this is so nice. Does it hang down a bit more? Yeah. So it's a little plaque. And I get emotional about these things because I'm a sop. But Marianne has had her baby and she's so cute. Marianne, I love you. And your little one. But it's, look, and it's got a little rainbow on, a little tassel. And this was once again really inexpensive. and it's just for when, you know, little one has her own bedroom. I just thought it would be really, really sweet. So yeah, I'm easily pleased. And then the last thing are gardening things. They're actually a gift. Now, if you know me, and this isn't the first time you're seeing my face, you will know I'm bloody obsessed with gonks. If I had a garden of my own, I'd be using them. But it says welcome friends and hello spring, so obviously it's not spring, but look how cute. And these are like £1.50, and they're metal gonk garden stake, and I'm just so excited to see this in the person's garden that I got them for. But there's a high chance they're watching my channel, so I'm not going to say who it's for, but it's going to be a birthday gift. I'm obsessed. Trust me, when I get my own garden in years to come, I'll be getting stuff like this. But how cute. It's everything that I got from Cherryz. The total of this came to £40 odd, which I don't think is bad at all. I think it's really, really reasonable. I've got stuff in my basket, as I said already. It's like Shein. You make an order and then you're like, oh, I actually really like that. And I always have stuff in my order ready for next time. But yeah, I've got such a range of stuff. Snacks, treats, summer stuff, gifts. Honestly, this is an app you need to check out if you have not already, because the bargains are unbelievable. So don't forget, I have a 25% discount code off your first time order off the app only. It's not off the website, it's off the app. And I love the app. It's so convenient, so easy, and it's so easy to use as well. So yeah, don't forget, it's Lily Williamson at 25, all capital letters. I'll put it on the screen again and in the description for you guys. But I hope you enjoyed this. Let me know what your favourite product was. Let me know what your favourite item was in the comments. Let's have a conversation about it. And yeah, I hope you're all well. I hope you're enjoying the lovely weather, if it's lovely weather where you are. And yeah, don't forget to smash a big thumbs up, subscribe if you have not already, and I'll see you guys in my next vlog or video, whichever one you watch first. Bye.